back from vacation, little walkthrough, slow but busy week. You got Dumb and Dumb doing wheels and tires. We got short little midget Travis doing conductor special train horns on this. What's yours? 12?
Don't think so. And 10-row wheel lights.
And 10-row wheel lights. That's a nice truck. Nice. You guys have seen this one in the video. 2022 GMC Denali 12-inch Cognito. Transmission gone. Transfer case gone. Front drive shaft gone. Ripped the wiring harness clean out of the computer. Put a hole through the floor. Knocked the coolant line out. Shifter, all this stuff. So getting a massive repair. Scott's already got everything ripped out. We're getting ready to call the customer today, go over all the parts and the cost on that. Here's our stock 450 with the any level. We sold this a while ago. It's came in for wheel lights, rock lights, full upgrade. We got Danny doing an alignment on 98 Tahoe BDS lift. After that, goes exhaust shop, gets exhaust done, and then front and rear bumpers, we just powder coated black as well. And then we have our frame back here. We're getting it put right back into a roller. Hopefully have the cab on by Friday, and then mock up a little bit of air ride, and then the customer is going to pick it up and should be ready to go. Should be putting his motor in and then come back to get finalized. And that's all we got for the day, because I haven't been here all week, so I don't know what's going on.